Hello, Max. You look sad. Yes, I feel worried because my English test is tomorrow and I need to win it. That is too bad. If I were an English teacher, I would help you with the test. Yes, I know. Also, if I study hard, I will pass it. But if you go to the party tonight, you will lose the test again, and you couldn't go to the United States with your parents. Yes, you are right, but that is a little bit difficult. Why do you say that? Because if I had parents, I would go to the United States with them. Oh my God, that is really bad.